Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about them. My God, Golden Lotus security. So it's a 90 millimeter version shutter padlock, and I'm going to take the key out for you. This is what the bidding looks like, and right on the front, before we get to the picking part, as you maybe can see, says hardened right there, but if I take my scissors, sorry about that, and try to cut it right there, you can see if the camera focuses. Yes, it made a slight dent, so I think it's not really hardened. This just might be advertisements. So now we get to the picking. This is what the key looks like. The keyway looks like pretty much standard Yale keyway. And we're going to take our tension wrench and our DeForest pick. Feels really gritty in there. Okay, and we're open. By the way, this lock is key retaining, as you can see here. So we're going to lock it back up. Like so. And maybe we can find a different. Sorry, what I wanted to say before the battery of the camera died was, of course there's a different way to get into these locks, and sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's not. So we're just going to have a look at this. And of course off camera this works immediately. Okay. So, if you can't pick it, you maybe try to rake it. At least these Chinese locks obviously has no security pins, so even if it's a 90 millimeter version padlock, don't be intimidated by size. And well, I gave $5 for this beast, and it's nice to look at, it's nice for my collection, but I'm certainly not going to use it to secure some of my valuables. So, thanks for watching, bye bye.